I think the bar that you put for yourself continues to move up when you go every day to office. Today, I find we are a startup with resources. Incidentally, the same feeling I had when I was in the middle a few years back in this same journey. So today, I feel we're such a naive young startup that we can do a lot, and it is so much in front of us. That's the energy. All the vision that I have should become the vision that the team has, so that it is no more an individual person's vision. It is for the team to achieve and go get it. And there's only one way to do that. That it should be synced in with the people. People don't come for the vision that I have. People come for the vision that they now understand is what will give them success. We make everybody successful every day, and they come to get their success and earn their success. Sunil Mittal is definitely of Bharti Airtel, is definitely the person that I would identify with. The person comes from a very humble background, tries to do his own things, and then ends up building such a great, inspiring company out of India. So I remember that I was in Calcutta, and Bharti was not listed by that time period. He had his hair shaved from for his trip to Tirupati, and he was getting in the lift, and I just quickly ran towards the lift because I was in Calcutta also on that time, and my hands were trembling when I brought out my business card and said, "Can I have your autograph, sir, please?" And that's the only time that I met him actually. So he's sort of an inspiration from far, and he is one of those. And when I see a few more people how they have done few things, definitely Jobs comes in as inevitably the top spot. I mean, someone who logs in and then makes a company again what it has been, it's incredible. The best thing about being an entrepreneur is that every day morning you can decide how would you like to do it today, how differently would you like to see the same situation, how differently you like to solve or take on an opportunity. So I think entrepreneurs are capable, and they have that point of view, they have that opportunity. If you're working, then you sometimes are given set of guidances to do this. I think the way that you can effervescently go in various dimensions to look at the same thing is incredibly powerful. I love that part about being an entrepreneur, where you can see the same thing from 10 different sides. What I hate about it, I don't know if I hate anything about being an entrepreneur, but I know one thing for sure. Those moments when you have to be answerable to every escalation. So the worst part about being an entrepreneur or top of an organization is everything which nobody else will solve, it's your problem. So you have to solve it. So sometimes you have to be and behaving like a superhuman, which you're not, you're just common person, right? So solving those problems which everybody's escalations end up reaching here. So I'll be very honest about it. I hate when it is said that investments are about ideas. It's not at all about ideas. It's about that individual and the team whom we are investing in. I never invested in an idea. I always invested in anyone whom we have invested only because they were those people. In fact, I believe startups are those early stage people that they will change their business models, they will change their idea, they will find a new thing to do, and they will find new inspiration or tweaking around their business model, which might not just be what it was. I've gone through that business model change myself. So never invest in a startup, invest in the team of the startup, invest in that individual who is inspiring other team members, is the philosophy. So with that, we just invested in wonderful people. I think I'd say that some of my salespeople are inspiring for me. I'm not a salesman, especially when it comes to be on the negotiation table. I considered myself like not so awesome as much my team members are. So I found out inspiring sales negotiation stories in my team members, and I look up to them. And every time when magic happens, I kind of get awed by that. One is that. And second is, Some of my team members are so hard working. I just don't have a word that how could they do it? How do they do it? They are so many times an inspiration that I should say I will go back and do it because they are there still doing it. If I'm feeling that it's a tiring moment. No, I never felt it because those my team members put together in that. I think the good talent is a very situational term. Sometimes same people in a different environment might be worse or better is an interesting situation. So I believe that first of all, people who bring a lot of energy to the place. You know, when you're talking to them, you have that energy aura around them. Other people you have to have a conversation with to get in the team. And then there is only one extra test that I follow, which is called try and buy, which means those who are so good have to try us and us have to try them. And then it's a journey and relationship. As with a matter of heart, you will find on that day that this is really the incredible person you found out, and there is no other magic drug. It just have to be situational and answered that way. So first of all, entrepreneurs must remember they are the engine of the car. They are the engine of the vehicle called company. If you aren't so empowered, powered, have energy inside yourself that you have to sail through those steps, the company won't. It won't sail through. So you have to have incredible amount of energy and then channel it on this side. I think it has always seen that a great energy pool is what is differentiator from one entrepreneur to other. And the suggestion that I'll give is be sincere, man. I mean, God gives us chance and there is nothing better than we can ask for. And when you have a chance, then you have to do it with what all you have, what all you could do, and that's about it, nothing else. As they say, after the results are not in your hand, sometimes learning, sometimes success, sometimes more learning, sometimes bigger success. But you have to be fully sincere about what you're doing it. People I've seen take it a little too naively, they go into fashion or something, but that's not what it is. Yeah. And investment ideas, remember, success is not when you raise money. Success is when you build a business. Raising money is not called success. I believe that you will build a great business and I'm sure money will follow you. It's very easy actually. I firmly believe there is only one way to go, which is mobile, and there is only one way to go in mobile, which is mobile internet. It's not magical. It's not magical finding. It's not mysterious. You just have to go address your opportunity on mobile internet on the mobile. That's it. It's simple.